Hello children, now third class mathematics 10th chapter. What is our chapter? Day to day maths. DA by day, TO2, DA by day, MATHS maths. Day to day maths. Take out your textbook children. Textbook and notebook. Page number 108. Page number 108. Look at the following situation. So day to day maths means we are using now in daily life maths. So which life we are using? See here. Look at the following situations. Are the people involved in these situations using maths? If so, how? So you are also using now in daily life. In this like situations came now for you. See which like situations having here. Listen. First question. Prashant gets up at 7 a.m. It takes him 5 minutes to walk to the bus stop. The school bus arrives at 7:50 a.m. How much time does he have to get ready? So page number 108 page. First question you will write in your notebook to children. First question write. Write that question. I will explain the answer. So first one. Solution. So Prashant wake up. Which time to wake up please? Prashant wake up at 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to he will wake up. He takes him 5 minutes to walk to the bus stop. How many minutes? 5 minutes. He reached the bus stop in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. The school bus arrives at 7:50 a.m. School bus which time is having? 7:50 a.m. The school bus arrives in 7:50 minutes. AM. See here. So he wake up 7 a.m. and 5 minutes only. He reached the bus stop in 5 minutes. So the bus will arrive 7:50 a.m. So what question asking here? How much time does he have to get ready for school? So how much time he was get ready to school? See here. 5 minutes only is taking for walking only. No, he reached to bus stop. So here 7:50 only. So which time do he was ready? Seven hours to wake up and 5 minutes for go to the bus stop. So remaining time only 7 o'clock to sometime 7 hours 50 minutes. Okay, now 5 minutes. Why here 5 minutes? He get ready and now he go to the bus stop. This 5 minutes time. So 7 hours 50 minutes minus 5 minutes. 7 hours 45 minutes. 7 hours 45 minutes. So 7 to 7:45. How much time? How many minutes are there? 45 minutes. How many minutes? Here to here. 45 minutes. Therefore, minutes time does he have to get ready for school. Write down. Write the textbook to see and write the first question, write this answer. Understand all of you? Next, second question. Richa notices that there are equal number of seats on each side of the bus. She also notices that there are an equal number of seats in each row. So in each row also having equal number of seats. Richa counts 12 seats in each side. So how many seats are there in each row? See here, one side 12 seats. So two sides, how many seats? 24 seats. Write down first. So second question also write in your notebook, children. Second question complete after write the answer. Second question. The number of seats in each side of the bus. The number of seats on each side. So 12. Number of sides. Number of sides. Number of sides. How many sides having? 2 sides. Number of seats on 2 sides. 2 sides. How many seats are in the 2 sides? 12 into 2. 12 into 2. So each side 12 seats are there. So how many sides are in? This side and this side, not 2 sides. So 12 into 2. 2 2 4, 2 1 2, 24 6. How many seats are in both sides? 24 seats. So here, how many seats are there in each row? How many seats are there in each row? See here, 1 2 3 4 seats. Number of seats in each row. So total 24 seats only, no? 24. How many rows are there here? Okay, wait. Number of rows. Number of rows. How many rows? 6 rows. Number of rows? 6 rows. Number of seats in each row. So each row, how many seats having? 24 by 6. 24 by 6. By means division only, na? 6 divided by 24. 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the answer? 4. Therefore 4. Therefore 4 seats are there in each row. Right now, understood all of you? So complete after third question, right children? In that page number 108 only, no? Ramesh has been selling bananas since morning. He had 320 bananas. By evening he has 54 left with him. So how many bananas did Ramesh sell? Ramesh has how many bananas having? Write this. Complete after question, right children, and page number 108, third one. Okay. Completed. That also right now. Ramesh has been selling bananas since morning. So he had 320 bananas. Number of bananas Ramesh had number of bananas. So how many bananas have 320? Easy now, little children. Bananas 320 bananas. By evening he has 54 bananas left with him. Number of bananas. Left with me. Left with me. How many bananas are left here? 54. 54 bananas are left. 54 bananas are left. Write properly, children. Ones place number to ones place, tens place to tens place. Number of bananas. Number of bananas. Bananas is equals to 0 minus 4. So not going on, So upward small number having, down number big number having. Subtraction directly possible? No. So we are using the bar. So into tens plus 2, here 1 10 will be taken. So 0 become 10. So 2 become 1. 10 minus 4, 6. 1 minus 5. Here also same, no? Small number having. So here 2 will take. 11, then 2. Write properly here. 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 2. 266 bananas are remaining. He said. Therefore, 216 bananas will be sold. Okay, now fourth question, write children, we will complete after. Write down. Understand all of you? Okay. Fourth one. Fourth one. Sarojini takes 25 minutes for cooking rice, 20 minutes for cooking curry and 15 minutes for rasam. Sarojini for cooking. 25 minutes. Curry 20 minutes and rasam 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So your total time Sarojini taken time for cooking. So rice, she is cooking rice 25 minutes, curry 20 minutes, rasam 15 minutes. So total time, minutes 5 5 plus 5, 10. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 6. 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. She has served food at. She has to serve food. So which time she served food? 8 o'clock. Already you are given now? At 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So whenever she is entering the kitchen, she is preparing rice for 25 minutes, curry 20 minutes. Your mother also did not like this. So whenever she is entering the kitchen, so 1 hour, 60 minutes only, no, she is preparing food. Yes. So 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 1 hour before only she entered the kitchen. So which time she prepared served the food? 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock, 1 hour before means 7 o'clock. Understand all of you? Therefore, 7 o'clock time should she enter the kitchen. Enter the kitchen. This time she entered 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock she entered the kitchen. Understand now? Very good. See here children on page number 109. Open it. Page number 109. See here, kids toy shop. Kids toy shop. Carefully look at the picture given below. Some toys along with their prices are given. So they are given now, some prices are given per toys. What toys are there? Bus and teddy bear, ball and drum and bat, train, hockey bat, aeroplane, duck, umbrella. These are having some rates also there. So you have 50 rupees only with you. Select any 3 toys which you would like to buy such that you spend to all the money. So you have only 50 rupees. So which toys you will buy? Only 3 toys only you will buy. So which toys you are selected? You will select. I will say on one example only I will explain it. So remaining part you will be right. Understand? Completed these things? Okay. See here, page number 109. Kids toy shop. Kids toy shop. Kids toy shop. See, name of toys. Name of toys and spend money. And spend the money. spend money. Name of toy, spend money. See here example given now. Example, an example given. Aeroplane, aeroplane, duck, plays ball. But only 50 rupees. You have only 50 rupees, you think. So 50 rupees only. So second one I will say you. First one. See here. I am only taking. I have 50 rupees only. So which like I am taking the 3 toys. So bus. I will buy the bus. So bus how much cost? We write the bus. So how much cost bus? 25 rupees. 25 rupees plus. So then I will buy the which one? Bus and bat. Bat. Bat cost how much here? 20 rupees. 20 rupees. Bat. Then 25 rupees, 20 rupees. How much will be completed? 45 rupees only finishing. Remaining 5 rupees only having. So which toy we will buy? Which toy having 5 rupees per ball? I will buy the ball. 5 rupees. So 25, 20, 45, 50. 50 rupees. Like that only you will do. Understand now? So you will take any 3 toys like that. Any 3 toys you will take and write. Okay? Do that problems. Okay children, bye all of you. So next topic, making toys with clay having no. So next topic, next class I will explain.